She wore a raspberry beret, the kind you find in a second-hand store. Never.
Prince.
Hello, and
Hello.
welcome to the Random Wednesday Question. It's Series 2, Episode 11.
It is.
Now, we didn't have a random question last week because Nick was ill.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Anyway, here is the question. Now, we all know Mars is the only planet only inhabited by robots.
I suppose that's true.
With that in mind, in EastEnders, who killed Lucy Bill?
What? How do those two pieces of information even follow on?
They don't. Just go with it.
Well, yeah, fair play. Well, not everyone would watch EastEnders, but a main character has been killed off called Lucy Bill, and ever since that point, people have been discussing who killed her. I don't know why it's important, but it seems to be a bit of a topic. Now, I've seen these things before, and they always make it the most least likely person to have possibly done it. That bearing in mind, I probably think the person that killed Lucy Bill was Tanwa.
Tanwa?
Yeah, Tanwa.
That makes no sense.
Well, all the key things are there, really. He's the least likely character to kill anyone.
Yeah,
He's got absolutely no motive to kill Lucy.
right.
And he was very rarely in any scenes with her. So adding these all together, he probably killed her.
I don't think so. Sounds a bit
Well,
rubbish.
who do you think killed her then?
Jane.
Jane?
Yeah, with the help of Kim
Oh, yeah,
Jong-un.
that's possible. Well, I'm sure we'll find out soon. Maybe.